O, tignan mo to.
What's up everyone? Good morning! It's August 20, 2019 and it's 5:17 in the morning. 4 AM supposed to be gising na ako pero nagising pala ako pero natulog ako. Alam nyo na. Pero tumawag si Mary Ann kung hindi, patay na. See ya! Yung makapag-delete ng files. So ayun po, no? Nag-vlog! Makaka-copyright tayo mamaya naman. What's up, everyone? This is Raylan. Kakagaling nyo lang. Pilipinas. Philippines. How do you like it here? Ma'am. Interview, ma'am. Talaga nga naman. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Lake Louise ba to?
Yeah. Kasi iniiwan
Lake
yung mga
Louise.
taong paasa. Mga taong umaasa.
I-hike namin po ang Devil's Thumb.
Sabi ni Bright, Devil's Tears. Yeah, it's tears because we're gonna... What was that called again? Devil's Tears? Yep.
We're gonna be in tears. Naka-leggings sa mga besh kanina kasi nga natampo na ng kape, parang naihi. Hintayin po natin si Irish dito. Ang kanyang paglabas sa Big Brother.
Guys, this is my kuya. Kuya mo.
Ayan. Hi, ako yung Big Brother house.
Okay naman, nakita ko yung crush ko doon.
Guys, I can update. Kayo na bahala. Kayo na mag-isip kung ano lang nangyayari. So, are we halfway there? I don't think we're even halfway there, are we?
Wait, we're not even a quarter there.
2.5 kilometers pa, guys.
We're like going to Whitewood tomorrow.
Kaya kadali eh.
Not even that much.
Ay.
Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa ba?
Alam mo, mas mahirap dito kasi naboboard ako.
Wow!
Naboboard ako.
Ano, kaya pa nung dalawa?
Kaya pa. Kaya yun.
Ayun.
Let's go.
Sumikat din ang araw. Down the same way.
Wait, where are we going? Are we hiking that? No.
So we're there, and then we're gonna keep going up. So that's Lake Agnes on that split. Lake Agnes is right there. And then after that, we're gonna go around, and then the back of this, we're gonna go up.
Kaya. Easy. Kaya, ayan. Narinig.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you know what? I posted something like regarding to your post.
Oh, nakita ko.
Nakita mo yun? Kasi naman guys, wala kayong pake kahit magubad kami.
Ayun ba?
Wala kayong pake kung pa-baby kami.
True.
Kayo alam niyo mo, unad, galit na galit. Mamaya kami magrarad. Hinihinga lang talaga ako. We are here. Pupunta kami sa Double Sampan. Medyo nakaka-survive naman guys. Nahihirapan lang pero, you know, mind over body. Ay, no? Kailangan mo i-trick talaga yung sarili mo na. Kaya mo, Raylan.
Kaya naman nating lahat.
Oo, kaya natin. So, kasi if you keep on saying you can't, you really can't because you already believed yourself na hanggang dun lang. But like all thanks to Kuya Matt because he's here pushing us na kaya namin. Mamaya ulit.
Remember,
Ano?
God is with you.
True. Amen. May falls dun guys. So this is a big beehive. I cannot English anymore. look where we're at. Oops. Here. And Kuya Matt said it's gonna get hard. The trail's not gonna be easy. So, ayun, kailangan lang maging prepared. Everyone, it will be worth it. It will be worth it.
1 week
Jet
pa
lag
lang.
pa to.
May jet lag pa yan.
Lag pa. You'll regret it.
No, if you guys don't want to, you don't have to. No, it's fine. Charlie can stay.
Kaya pa. Sino nagplano ng hike na to, ha?
Ikaw.
Or hindi, sabi ko kaya kay Hannah, we should do something like easier than Devil's Thumb. No, let's do Devil's Thumb. Sabi niya. Wala ka namang galit sa akin, no? I'm looking. I am vlogging. He's gonna catch up. More, man. More.
Oh, bro. Don't go back.
Wait, wait.
Let's go.
Almost.
Diyan sa bato, tapos tapa ka sa bato. Guys, we're almost there. Hindi ka namin pinush, nandun ka lang, besh. Say thanks.
Sasabihin mo, natalo pa ako ng mga bata.
Ng mga babae! Ay! O, tignan mo to.
Ano gusto mo?
Ay! Nasa likod mo! Ay! Sorry. Sorry po. Sorry. Isipin mo wala yung bubuyog.
So proud of Raylan. Did it. We did it. Oh, careful.
Okay.
We made it!
Hike number 2.
Hard hike number 2. Guys, just no words right now. Pero sobrang ganda. Sobrang worth it. You guys, try it.
It's worth it.
Diba? Ang hirap kasi. And that makes this place special kasi it's really hard and not a lot of people can do it. I mean, can, pero the courage and the motivation to do it. Is this your first hard hike?
Yeah.
And
It's worth it naman. Kailangan mapagod, pero huwag susuko.
sobrang tadala niya. Siya po yung nanghiram ng power bank sa December Avenue.
So 9, 10, 11, 12, we did 3 hours.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good for us.
Yeah.
It took us how many hours to climb up Yamna? 8. 8.
May jet lag pa to guys, kakadating lang niya dito sa Canada. For a week na? Week pa lang.
Guys, we're so proud. Hi, Annette, Angel. So, lahat ng mga baby namin. Kasi usually, pag nagpupunta ng Lake Louise, doon lang magpapapicture. Pero imagine, nakataas ka, ang galing.
Doon.
Promise, ang galing.
When people say Lake Louise,
Kasi
doon.
nung unang hike namin, sobrang nag-struggle kami. Ano kuya?
Doon, tatayo doon, pipicture, at tapos yung background
Wala pa tayo
is
sa pababa na part.
this. Hello, kuya. Ayan yung background. Yung Yamnus ka guys, hindi ko siya na-upload kasi I think wala ako sa mood mag-edit nun. Probably soon. That was really hard. Tapos etong hike na to, mahirap din siya guys. Tapos first time ng mga kasama namin then 9 AM tayo nag-start daw. And what time na ba? 12. And mamaya na namin pa-problemahin kung paano kami bababa. Kasi mahirap din yun mga beshi.
Siya na lang wala.
Wow! If really not because of Kuya Matt. Feeling ko dun lang tayo sa lake kanina hanggang dun sa tea house. Hanggang dun lang kami. Wow!
Favorite shot. The story is ready.
Ay, tang. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, ngayon na nag-intro. Hi! Nako. Ilang minutes pa tayo dito.
Depends on you guys. Doesn't matter to me.
So,
Tagal ko na sa hike na to.
Ang ganda po. Lake Louise, guys.
Yeah, Lake Louise is right there.
I think
And to your left is Lake Agnes.
Yes.
And that right there is the big beehive, that hike. That hike right there. See those people just on that trail?
Oh, we were there.
We just passed that. We didn't go there. This is the Devil's Stump and that's the big beehive hike. We climbed a mountain on top of a mountain.
Pero ang dami rin natin nakita sa Lake Agnes.
Yeah. Yeah. There's the Mirror Lake, Lake Agnes, and then Lake Louise. 3 lakes in one area.
Nakita ko sa picture tong Devil's Thumb, pero hindi ko alam na Lake Louise. Yung nakikita ng lahat sa picture.
Yeah.
Like, cause this one, yung pinaka-view niya talaga.
Yeah. This is what people see when they talk about Lake Louise.
Lake Louise is this.
Yeah.
That.
But right now we're looking at the people taking that picture.
Wow.
People usually stop hiking sa tea house
Yeah. Thanks, Raylan.
or the big
You're the
beehive.
best. You're the best.
Huh?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes daw.
Bababa na kami and vlog, well, videos
No, it's just you guys can't die. Just I'll take a video.
So, he's amazing. He's amazing. Do we put water bottles over? All set.
Leave any garbage.
No garbages. I'm gonna take my
Don't leave yourself here. No garbage is allowed.
Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Well, we can leave you here.
Ingat lang sa pagbaba. Be cautious of stones that can fall on people. Ingat lang sa mga bato, may mga tao sa baba.
Uy, pag ikaw.
Is he 18?
Then we're liable.
Okay, make sure he doesn't run because if he falls.
And then, wag pataas. Pababa, girl. Pababa.
Hindi, maraming loose rocks. Remember, pagka maraming bato, maraming pwedeng mahulugan sa baba. Doon sa may punong may anino na yun, doon kayo po. Tapos papaikot. Basta go slow lang, guys. Remember, this is the hard part. Meron ako minsan napuntahan na maling apak sa bato. Nalaglag, may tinamaan sa baba. Dugo yung mukha. Had to go down like right away. Malit lang. Siguro mga 2 inches. Gumaganto lang. Para pong hindi too stiff, pero stiff po to. May camera feel lang siya, so it doesn't look very stiff. Stiff. Nagiging F tuloy yung epi ko. Nung pumunta kami dito, nag-snow, di ba? Tsaka nalusaw. Putik lahat to. Oh my god. Akay-akay kay kaibigan ko. Sige sir, almost there.
Good.
So close.
I'm turning around.
Tapang pala pagka pababa. Alam ko, iyak na kanina nung pataas eh. 5 stars ba? Recommended, Vance? Durability test to, Brad. Mas may grip to pa. Yeah, we're going back the same way we went up.
Thank you for your question. That's my thing. like this one.
Sayang, ikanihan na bata pa. Galing. Wow. Wow. Ha, si Panya, unti na lang nasa baba ka na. Tatapos nila, pababa na eh, no? Nawalay dalawa eh.
Sabi ko nga,
Galing.
besh, parang mas lalaki pa kami sa mga kasama mo. Hindi marunong maghintay. Samantalang sila, inaalalayan pa.
Dala ka pa yung water bottle nung isa. Ah, si Panya, wala ka ng jowa. Ah, si Panya, patay kayo kay mama.
Sabi mo na masala.
Yaman bumaba
Ganyan
sila.
talaga yung mga lalaki ng iiwan. Matapos nila makuha yung kailangan nila.
Ganyan ang boys. Yes, boys.
I said boys, guys. I said boys, not
There's a
men.
difference between boys and men.
Kundi hindi ka makakapunta sa Devil's Stone kung di ka nang hiram ng power bank. Akala talaga namin, Irish, iiwan mo kami dun. Pagkatapos mo manghiram ng power bank. Oh, wag pataas.
Umaakit kasi parang mountain goat. Mahilig ako umakyat para bumaba. If that makes any sense.
Guys, pababa na kami. Umiihi lang si Raylan. Sobrang worth it. Mahirap yung trail. Pero, andyan si Kuya Miles to push us na. Guys, konti na lang. Yan and ganyan. We'll talk about it later, about the experience. Kasi we still have to go down. We still have a long way to go. Malapit na. Sobrang importante guys na sobrang positive ka lang while you're doing hiking.
Mind over body. By Kuya Matt.
We were there, guys. Right there. Gosh. Guys, nandito na kami sa baba. Can you believe it? I can't. Grabe.
We made it.
This is the best part of every hiking. Yung
naghihintay
food.
ka.
Oo. Naghihintay ka sa food because you've been looking forward to this. Pero ulo ko. So, ayun po, andito po tayo sa Quattro Bistro. Asian Quattro Bistro. It's Asian foods that anybody can eat here.
You know she's tired when Kuya Matt's like,
It's really good in here. Ano yan, Kuya Matt? You were saying?
oh, sabi yan.